couponing. It's a lot of work. I hear a lot of people say this. But you know what is a lot of work? Working 40 plus hours a week. And stretching that paycheck to pay groceries, electric, gas, repairs, bus rides, car payment, insurance, doctor bills. And the list goes on and on. I get mad every time I check out of the store. And a buggy of food costs me $400 that used to cost my mom $100. What if I told you? You could save $100 a month on heating your home by putting a blanket in the window and taping it around the frame. Would you? It would cost you the tape, the blanket, time and effort. But that would be worth it. Because saving $100 a month would mean you could have spending money. Money you would have to spend on something you enjoy, to make life worth all the hassle. To make life seem less like work all the time. Learn in baby steps and don't get overwhelmed. Clip a few coupons for your basic needs. Bookmark all the learning material, videos and websites. Return when you're ready to step it up. And if you have it bookmarked, you can easily forward the links when your friends and family ask you how you learned. You can text or email the links. Let's break this down in steps. Once you learn step 1 and 2, stop this video and come back. Bookmark it. Come back after shopping once or twice and start the next steps. Step 1. Get the coupons. Manufacturer coupons are issued by the makers of the products. They will say manufacturer's coupon on the coupon. You can only use one manufacturer coupon per item. For 2 coupons, you need to buy 2 items. 1 toothpaste equals 1 coupon. 2 toothpaste equals 2 coupons. Where you can find manufacturer coupons. Newspaper. Paper manufacturer coupons are in the Sunday newspaper. Sometimes, you can find them on Wednesday, but there are not as many. Hint. Want to save money on the Sunday paper? Some Dollar Tree stores will get leftover deliveries from vendors on Sunday afternoon. Before you buy the paper, look through the newspaper. Some greedy thieves will steal the coupons out. It's dirty. Please don't do this or they will stop selling them. Buy one for now. Then get as many as you want. You can buy more copies to get multiple coupons. If you have a printer, or if you are going to a certain store. Some stores scan digital coupons from the manufacturer or store coupons. Digital coupons come from online, either print or save. Digital, or online, coupons you can find for specific store apps or coupon websites. Stores with apps for downloading are CVS app, Walgreens app, Kroger app and Target app to find digital manufacturer coupons. Printable coupons, you can find printable coupons at coupons.com or Crazy Coupon Lady's free printable coupon database. You can also find manufacturer coupons on manufacturers' websites directly, like Nestle, Tyson Foods, Kraft or Nabisco. Pro tip: never copy coupons. It's fraud. Ask others to print coupons for you. Or buy multiple Sunday newspapers. Double-check manufacturer coupon expiration dates. Some coupons expire the day after you print them. Store coupons. You can look at your newspaper, store's app or store's website for store coupons. Digital store coupons. Typically, you can just get one coupon per purchase. Look at the fine print. Clip the coupon through the app. Your cashier will need to scan it at checkout. Some exceptions is a store where your coupons are linked to your loyalty account and applied when you enter your phone number. So you clip the coupon and you won't need to scan it, just buy it and it applies the coupon automatically. Store digital couponing. CVS, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Kroger and Kroger owned, Kohl's, Target and Walgreens, Rite Aid and Safeway. Step 2. After you have your manufacturers and store coupons, you look to see what's on sale at the store. Method number 1. Almost all grocery stores have a website and have their store sale flyer for the week on the website. Look at your coupons. Are any of the items that you have a coupon for on the flyer? Method number 2. If you don't have a phone or computer, just go to the grocery store with your coupons in a container and compare to the sale list. If you have a match, set aside. This is the next level of savings. Combine a manufacturer coupon with a store coupon and look to see if it's on sale on a store's weekly sale flyer. When you have a coupon from the manufacturer, now look to see if the store has a coupon for it. And then, look for the store's weekly sales flyer. Solid gold. Very important. Look at the item and look at the sale and look at the coupon. A lot of items have different sizes or fragrance, etc. Compare the item and compare it on the coupon and on the sale flyer. The first time you do this, it will take an extra bit of time, but it will get easier. Also, remember, the first time, you won't have as many coupons that line up for the sale. Keep the coupons, and they may be on sale next week. If you can wait a week or two for the item, it may go on sale next time. Also, you will need shampoo. If you don't need shampoo right now but it's on sale and you have the coupon, go ahead and get it because it might not be on sale when you need it. Some people buy an accordion-like binder to sort coupons. Or, you can paperclip them or whatever works for you. People sort by item, department or alphabetically. Sort the way it helps you find the coupon faster. Some other helpful tips to remember. The night before you are going to the store, while you are watching your TV show or relaxing, look through your coupons and remove the expired ones. Also, print your digital coupons. Sorry. Walmart, you can only use one coupon per item, period. End of story. Learn about your store's sales. Some are Sunday to Saturday and some are Tuesday to Wednesday. Walk by clearance and look at the end caps. Store digital coupons. Unfortunately, most grocery stores don't offer both a manufacturer's and a store coupon on the same item inside their app. Level 3, Store Rewards Programs. Stores like Walgreens and CVS offer promotions and cashback opportunities for their loyalty programs. You have to sign up. You can use your phone or computer. Some stores you have to pick up one of their cards, then go home and register it on their website. Stores with rewards programs. Walgreens Balance Rewards, CVS Extra Care, Target Circle and Target Red Card, Kroger Fuel Program, Kohl's Yes to Your Rewards, Dick's Sporting Goods Scorecard. If you can get a credit card, consider the Target card. You can link your checking account to your Target account and get 5% savings on every purchase. If you have an email account, you can usually open another email account with the same email provider like Yahoo or Gmail. It actually doesn't have to be the same provider. The point is, you can open more than one with the same provider if you want. So before you start signing up to all these coupon sites and rewards programs, create a new email account and add a word in the email that tells you what the email is for. Rebate apps offer cash back for items you purchase. After you make a purchase, you can redeem an offer from multiple apps on the same item. If Ibotta and Checkout 51 both offer 50 cents back on razors, you can use your one receipt to redeem the offer for 50 cents from both rebate apps. Once you've completed a purchase, tap the offer you want to use and then scan a barcode on your receipt or take a picture of your receipt and upload it to the rebate app. Ibotta and Checkout 51 allow you to redeem offers with an electronic receipt. Buy an unused gift card someone sold to a third-party company like Raise.com. Raise.com sells unused portions of gift cards for less than its face value. But they also have direct company gift cards. So, if you find a $25 Domino's gift card for $21.56, that's 13.8% savings. Plus Raise.com has coupons, online purchases. For some stores, instead of a single coupon for a single item, you will use promo codes for your purchase. Some apps allow multiple promo codes. You can check for promo code limits. To stack online purchases from some stores, you use a coupon plus on a sale item and then use a rebate. Or pay with a discounted gift card. Or paying with your loyalty points. You will also want to check for discount limitations on brands online. While you may get a 10% off promo code, the store may have brand limitations. Each store has a list on their website. Here, I have a store's sales flyer plus, store coupon, plus, manufacturer coupon. So, if it seems overwhelming, start with steps 1 and 2. Find coupons, and look at store sales flyers to match an item to the coupon. You want to try to get a manufacturer's coupon and a store coupon to match the on-sale flyer. Stop there and go shopping. Once you have that down, come back to add to your knowledge with the next steps.